Hello and welcome in this video about Gespage mobile installation. Gespage mobile allow users to print from a web page, a smartphone or a tablet. In this video we will see how to access to Gespage mobile, how to configure mobile printing, the user menu and finally how to print from the mobile application and from an email. To access to Gespage mobile, you must enter the IP address of the computer where Gespage is installed, followed by the port 7180 or 7181 and /Gespage. It is possible when you are connected directly on the server to use localhost instead of the IP. We will now select the printers that will be able to do mobile printing. For that, go to Printer menu and choose a device. Then go to the tab Mobile Printing, tick the checkbox Cloud Printing, and validate. To enable mobile printing, you must go back to Server menu, then Mobile Printing and Cloud Printing. Then tick the checkbox Show Print and select the print options you want to allow: Show Upload and Print, Show Web Printing, or both. You can now select one of the printers where mobile printing is enabled in the scrolling menu to define it as the default printer, and validate. If you go now to the Gespage mobile home screen, you should access to Print menu. You can print Office documents, .jpg or PDF. It is possible to modify the user interface from the menu Web Access. User Web Access, Config User Interface. You can configure the default language. The type of login authorized or the possibility to create a user account. It is also possible for users to print from their smartphones or tablets. For that, they must download Gespage mobile application. Then, they must set the server IP address, their username, and their password. If the server is not public, they should be connected to the same network. If a user would like to print without Gespage account, he can use email printing. To do it, he must send an email with the attached document to print, to the email address defined in the server. To set this email address, go to Printers, then Mobile Print Profiles, Email Profile, and Add Profile. Set the information requested. Then Mobile Print Profiles, Printer Profile, and Add Profile. Set again the information requested. Go back to Printers menu and choose a copier, then select Mobile Printing tab. Create a new configuration. Select profiles you create before and select Gespage and guest users in the field user type. Then click on Add and validate. You should know that to use Gespage mobile service need to be start and the Gespage mobile license enable.